I'm recording.
Are you?
Yeah.
Alright, welcome back to new videos, everyone. So today we're going to be solving two main issues of this cheap Subaru. One is this armrest, and the other one is going to be, oh thank you, the other one is going to be a coin tray. I'll show you later. So I bought this JDM armrest, and as you know, in my top 5 things I don't like about the Subaru, this armrest doesn't do shit. So this is going to raise it about, I don't know, like 3 inches, 4 inches or something, and hopefully my arm won't like kill me. So the install is super easy. All you gotta do is take this trim out. As you see, the fucking cup holder is broken because the dumbass last owners don't know how. And then you take this piece out. I think. Fuck. This hurts. Yo. What the fuck? How do you take this out? Oh, I got it. There you go. Take this piece out. And then there's there's one screw back here. Sick. And now you pull this whole trim out. Yo, this thing's rusty as fuck. So you pull this, you yank this out. Apparently there's a connector back here somewhere or something. What the fuck? Okay, you know what? Whatever. We just need access to these 3 screws up here. There you are. Why are you nodding your head, bro?
I'm not doing nothing.
Exactly. So funny. Some hard shit.
I'm being abused, guys.
Oh, you see that? I'm pretty sure you saw the video. It was like this. It was like some Vietnamese girl. And you know that punch meter thing.
Yeah.
Like when you punch it and it goes up.
Oh yeah, and then the guy was like, "She beats me at home."
She beats you at home.
I seen that.
She beats me at home.
Okay, last screw now. Well, this is a long fucking shot, dude.
What is this video?
Yeah.
You can just edit it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, there's a mosquito in your car.
Where?
No, it's like they're already out.
Mosquitoes already, man?
Yeah.
Okay, all 3 screws are out. And then this should just pop out. There we go. And then, so these are the 2 screws that came with this kit. You put that aside, ignore that rip, I'm gonna edit that out. And then you put the screws back on here, I think. Where? What? What the fuck? Where the fuck do I put these? No, that's not right. What the fuck am I doing? I need cut. I need to figure this out. So I found I found the confusion. This back trim piece actually comes off, and this lift part actually goes all the way. Oh, the ISO is so bad. Whatever. So this piece actually wraps all the way down. So unscrew these. That's why I was so confused, because when I bought this from the guy, bought this used, there should have been more than just two screws. Yeah, there's 2 screw hole back here too. So. Boom.
You look so confused, man. There's a mosquito in the car right there.
It's a fucking moth.
No, it's a mosquito.
What the fuck? So I think this is actually supposed to be the other way around, because this is supposed to latch to this. How the fuck? How the fuck I put it like this?
So, you turned 18 recently?
What?
You're not gonna answer the question.
Did I turn 18 recently?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Damn.
Oh, these are supposed to go on the back. And these are supposed to screw in the front. Dude, why is there so many screws? The fuck? Okay, so these go here. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So this goes in place like this. Right? Guess I'll just use these screws. Fuck it. Bro, this fucking dog fucked up my other video too, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Got this? Oh, don't put it at me. Put it at this, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, I don't know what to do. My fault.
You never watch fucking YouTube videos, bro?
No, you only watch like hentai and stuff.
Alright. I'm fucking weird, dude. Okay, that. Don't fucking point the camera at me, dude.
What am I supposed to record?
This is supposed to go up here, it looks like. It actually fits. It actually does not fit perfectly. Maybe like this. What the fuck? Oh, there it is. Wow, I'm fucking... I can't say that word, but...
Yeah, we know.
You're just like Darian. Also, I can't use these screws.
And Darian's a good looking man.
Alright, I'm gonna send that to Darian later.
Hey, don't cut that out. Why do you look so uncomfortable?
It's not that uncomfortable. I say a lot of shit. I'm the more... Shut the fuck up. If anything's like this install got a lot... That was like extra hard because it wasn't even fucking in the right place. Because the last guy I bought this from was whatever, man. I'm excited for this armrest because you know when you're sitting in your car, Nathan,
Yeah.
and your armrest is fine. You're just chilling. This one you have to go like this.
Like,
You actually like you won't. Your elbow does not make any contact.
why don't you just buy a better car?
Why don't you just buy a car?
I'm chilling, man.
Why don't you just buy a car? Why are you poor, dude?
I mean, I'm driving my whip.
You're my whip that I bought.
Am I driving it?
I'm driving it
You ain't driving it.
because I don't want it.
Exactly.
Okay, so
I'm driving it.
now we'll go back over here and install the 3 screws back in here. Oh wait, missed the step. Gotta put this trim piece back on first. Just go like this. Boom. There we go. So Nathan,
What?
tell me why the American suit. I'll show you another reason why like this car's so fucking cheap, dude. I don't understand why, but this is a JDM optional thing.
Because some people are tall, man. They got long arms.
No, it's not even that. Like even if it was like a small Japanese guy, I don't think like the USDM one. Like you would have to buy it. It's an option to buy it. Like,
Only in
as an
Japan?
upgrade. No, there's another one here, but it sucks.
Oh.
Armrest is assembled. Now we're just gonna put it back on, and that's it. Just put the 3 screws back on.
Man, why'd you say my govy?
Shut the fuck up, bro. You don't even have a street name, guy. Was it
do.
Nate?
It's Lil Snake. Why are you laughing? Wait, what are these screws for?
Oh, that's for just to screw this back in.
Oh.
So yeah, really easy install. If you want a more detailed one, go YouTube someone else because it's just me and my brother bantering. This is funny.
Yeah, why are you telling them I'm your brother, man?
Want me to put your Instagram in here?
I don't care.
Okay.
Not really.
Okay, so...
I plug my Twitch. No,
what's your-
I don't even
what's your
stream.
Twitch?
I don't stream.
Okay, why? How can you stop streaming? Because
I'm
you're trash?
Yeah.
Okay, so put that back in and put this screw back in. Like down here in the middle. Maybe if you see that. It's kind of dark. I can just post-edit that. And...
I know what they say about the darkness, right?
What'd they say about darkness?
The darker the berry, the sweeter the juice.
Okay. And we put this back in.
All done?
Yep, that's it. And that's how you put the... That's how you put the... I'm gonna need to buy a new cup holder. There we go. But that's one like cheap thing to fix on a fucking Subaru. Honestly, I missed the Civic quality. Actually, I want to see your... Are you start recording?
I did.
Oh shit.
Wait, no. Yeah, I did.
Okay. I want to show your reaction first. Are you recording? Yeah, you're right. Okay. So you know how in the Civic over here there's a fucking tray. There's usually a coin tray right here, right?
Yo, easy access, man.
To what? There's nothing there.
The ECU.
There's nothing there. It's just a fuse box. Bro, how cheap are these fucking Subarus, bro?
Don't show you, bro.
You look like a Vietnamese dad. You look hella bright in the shot. That's why. So for some reason, Subaru decided not to put a fucking coin patch there, but they did for the JDM version. So luckily for Amazon,
Oh, that's sick.
I know Amazon.
Give me this.
So luckily for Amazon makes this out of ABS, which is pretty sick.
What's ABS stand for?
I don't know.
Asian Baddies?
That's no. There's another word for that.
It's ABG.
ABG, thank you. And I don't have a knife. Oh, there we go. So I actually never opened this yet since I ordered it in like February. Oh, that's sick! It comes with a fucking fuse, a fuse sticker. And hopefully they're the same. Oh, they're not the same. I think they're for different cars. Oh, there we go. That is it. Good in frame? Yeah.
I'm recording it. What do you think?
I'm just saying, if it's brighter as fuck.
No, it's chill.
Okay, that is sick. That's actually really cool. I don't know how much I spent on this, and I really don't care, but it's nice to have a coin patch.
Well, how much you spend on it?
How
much you spend?
I don't know. It's on Amazon. Go find it on Amazon. Oh, this actually feels fucking better than the OEM one, dude.
Oh. So this one has a pocket.
Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put that fuse sticker on. Too lazy to open the back. Let's see if I can just take this off. Actually, nope.
Just open the new one.
Yeah, I just opened the new one. Hopefully this. I hope it. So this one top. Just put it right there. Boom. That's it. And then we just put this bitch in.
Oh, this is too dark.
Is it? Start up. Why am I having trouble just putting this shit in?
See, punching is how you break it, man.
What the fuck? Why is that going in? Okay. Fuck, dude. It's just a coin holder, bro.
You buy the wrong one.
Yo, fuck Subarus, man. What the fuck?
Nice.
Okay. Oops, sorry. I'm about to return this shit. On God? On God?
Hey, man. Big ass head's in the way.
Bro, I'm trying to look, alright?
I think it actually might be the wrong part.
Alright, cut. Okay, so I got it. I just had to, oops. Sorry, I don't need to see that. I just had to sneak it in a different way, a little bit lower, but, yeah, there you go. Little coin pouch. Don't have any coins.
Yo, I feel like the camera zoomed in.
Did it?
I think so. Or it did.
Oh, it did. Nice, dude. You just
don't
fucked
know.
up my whole shot, dude.
I don't know how long it's been zoomed in for, I'm gonna be honest.
Well, that's going to conclude today's video, everyone. Thank you for watching. Solving the two cheapest things on this piece of shit Subaru. Now, you zoomed in more.
No, bro, it's...
Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
No, man.